you must buy the new skin. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you about 4 reasons why you must buy the new card. So first of all, in a few hours time, we got the notification, or we saw in our Hamster Kombat that this appear, which is a new skin. So, and you can see the new skin I have bought here. You can see now. Here are my reasons why you must buy this new skin. So my number one reason is this: is close to the launching time. So token distribution will actually happen this month. Now they are bringing this new innovation. So you need to take note of it. Launching is started, and there are criteria that will be used for token distribution. Take note of that. If you look at the earlier statement released by Hamster Kombat, they said token distribution will be done by profit per hour and other criteria that will be revealed later. Look at that words. Other criteria, look at the notice, that will be revealed later. Those words are powerful words, that will be revealed later. And some of these new things are coming. Before it was a daily combo that started, daily cipher entered, then mini game entered, then now buy skin. Other criteria that will be revealed later. So I'm suggesting that this new skin actually is one of the criteria that will be released later. Take note of that. So number 2 reason why you must buy this new card. So let's go to the new card section. If you want to go to the new card section, so you just click here. So when you click here, so you're going to see the new card. So if you scroll up, so here we go. So one thing I observe in this new card is that it's only attached to 2 levels: Grandmaster and the Lord stage. I repeat, it's only attached to 2 levels: Grandmaster and Lord stage. Now, Grandmaster and Lord stage. So if you are below Grandmaster and Lord stage, you will not be able to buy this new skin. That's a message to us that levels actually matters. It's attached to 2 levels. It's attached to 2 levels. It's attached to 2 levels. So if you are not in Grandmaster, you will not be able to buy Grandmaster card. If you are not in Lord stage, you will not be able to buy. So let me show you this. So from here, 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 they are all Grandmaster cards. If I click, I will not be able to buy. It says reach the Lord League to unlock the skin. You can see. So if I click on anyone around here to here to buy, I will be able to buy because they are in my levels. That's number 2 point why you must buy this card. And the number 3 point why you must buy this card, if you look at this, there are no specific reward attached to it. There are no specific reward. It's not like, okay, you buy card, you get profit per hour. No. And if you look at it, the prices differs. The prices of each card differs, which tells us that this card are actually what important. That's number 3 reason why you must buy this card. Then number 4 reason why you must buy this card is this: avoid the mistake we made in PZ app. Towards the ending of before the launching of PZ app, they were releasing a level, and a lot of us didn't pay. So I would say we are wiser now because PZ app have taught us a lot of lessons to pay attention to details. So with this new card that have been released, I promise you we are going to pay attention to details. So this card is very important. We are learning from our mistake in Pizza Tab. We are not taking anything for granted. So we are learning from our mistake once again. We are going to give it all. So buy this card as much as you can. Then another thing I want to say before I put this scene to a close, your level is very important. Your level is very important. Don't make the same mistake you made on Pizza Tab in Hamster Kombat. It will be a very costly mistake. Pay attention to your level, profit per hour, and all these new tags that are being given. Pay attention to it. They all matters. So if you find this video helpful, click on the subscribe button, like the video, kindly drop a comment. See you at the top.